Hello guys and welcome back to maxdmcrafting. I want to show you how to create some spooky trees with some paper clips, paper tape and just some air dry clay. Stay a while and listen.
First of all, take 2 or 3 paper clips. It doesn't matter that they are of the same size. On the contrary, if you put together paper clips of slightly different sizes, you can get an even better result. Stretch them and warp them together for the first half. You can use tweezers or a pair of pliers to facilitate the process. Once this phase is over, arrange the frond as you like best. I have bent all the branches to one side only, as if to indicate that an incessant wind has shaped these old trees over the years. Once you have the shape you like best, start wrapping a couple of layers of masking tape around the whole structure. Once finished, start spreading layers of air dry clay, using a moistened tip to engrave the bark. Leave to dry for 12-24 hours. At this point, paint the dried trees as you like.